maths class. So this is the class for front users in areas related to the circle. Chapter number 12 and exercise 12.3. Yes, students. So already we completed the first two exercises fully, and third exercise we have completed some of the questions. So the remaining 6 or 7 questions only pending. So for this class we want to complete that whole exercise. Yes, students. Okay. Let us come to our class, and before that we should recall the formulas. What are the formulas we are going to use this exercise? Already you know. What are the formulas? Area of the circle, semicircle, area of a square, rectangle, equal to triangle, and normal triangle. Then area of the sector, and what is that? Length of arc. So all the formulas we are going to use this exercise. Yes, students. Okay. Now, yes. Next, the question number 10 we want to move. So I am reading the question. Listen carefully, all of you. So the question number 10. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeters square. So this is given to you. Okay, which with each vertex of a triangle, each vertex of a triangle as center, a circle is drawn through the a circle is drawn in the with the radius half of the side. See, so this is the radius of students. Okay, so that is half of the length of side of equal triangle. In equal triangle, what is the side? That is half only will be the radius. Yes, students. Now, what is the given question mean? Find the area of the shaded region, and one more thing is given. Root we want to use 1.73205 and pi equal to 3.14. We should use this two only. Okay. See, some other places we are using the root 3 value is 1.7 only or 1.732. It is based on the questions. Okay. But this question we want to use root 3, which is equal to 1.73205. Okay. Because it is a rational number. We have a uncountable number of decimal. It is repeating only. You know. Yes, students. Okay. Let us come to this question. You have the formula. Area of the equal triangle is root 3 by 4a square, which is equal to 1732.5. Yes, student. And I have a value of root 3 is 1.73205 whole divided by 4 into a square, which is equal to 17,320.5. Now I want to eliminate the decimals in right side and left side on both also. So for that I am going to multiply 10 and divide by 10 to eliminate the decimal. For that, how many decimals are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are. So which one? I am going to multiply 5 zeros, which is 1 lakh. Yes, student. To get the value 173205 whole divided by here you have 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs into a square, which is equal to here you are going to get 173,205 by 10. By 10. I need only the value of the side a square. So a square, which is equal to 173,205 whole divided by 10 into what is that? 4 lakhs, students. 4 lakh divided by the same number 173,205. Now these two numbers will be eliminated and 1 0 also eliminated. Now the remaining values are a square, which is equal to 4 into 10,000, that is 4,000. Sorry, 40,000. 4 into 10,000 is 40,000. Now I am going to take the square root of this number. Do you know, students, what is the square root of 4? 2 and 10,000 you have a square root of 100. So a equal to 200 centimeter. So the side of an equal triangle is 200 centimeter. Yes, students. Okay. Already told you the side of the equal triangle. What is the half of the side of the equal triangle will be the radius. So for that, radius, which is equal to side of equilateral triangle whole divided by 2. That is 200 divided by 2. R is equal to 100 centimeter. R equal to 100 centimeter. Have you got it, children? Now what I am going to find? Area of the shaded region. What is that? Area of the shaded region. So for that, already we know area of equilateral triangle. So for that, I am going to separate for that 3 sectors. What are the 3 sectors? See student, so this is one sector, and this is one sector, and this is another sector. Total how many sectors are there? 3 sectors. Okay. Now area of equilateral triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors. Yes student, already you have value of area of equilateral triangle, that is 17,320.5 minus area of the sector. You have formula, no? Yes. Now 3 into theta by 360 into, you have value of pi. What is that? 3.14. Yes. Okay. Now 3.14 into, and what is that? Radius r square. What is the radius? You have 100. So 100 into 100, 10,000. Yes students. Okay, and you have a theta is 60 degree. How you taking? Because in the equilateral triangle, you have the value of each angle is 60. Why? Because of in equilateral triangle you have all the sides are equal and all the angles also equal. Yes student. So for that, so 0 0 cancel. 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36, 1 3 are 3, 2 3 are 6, and here 1 2 are 2, 1 point 1 3 1 2 are 2, remain a 1. So 5 2s are 10, remain 1 7. So 1.57. 1.57. So students listen, 17,320.5 minus I have 1.57 into 10,000. So the final answer is 17,320.5 minus 157, and the excess 2 zeros are there. Because you have 2 decimal places, but you are going to multiply that 4 places of zeros. So you get it by this. Subtract these two numbers to get the final answer. What is the final answer? Subtract 17320.5 minus 15,700. 0.5 2 sorry 0 2 13 minus 7 is 6 6 minus 5 is 1. So what is the final answer? 1620.5. What is the answer? 1620.5 centimeters square. So this is an area of the shared region for that. Okay. Next, yes students, the question number 12 to have in the figure OACB is a quadrant of circle with the center O and radius is 3.5 centimeter. If OD equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of the quadrant OACB. So for that, to have a radius, the total is 3.5 centimeter, and this is also 3.5 centimeter. And one more thing is given OD, that is 2 centimeter. OD is 2 centimeter. Now I am going to use the formula area of the quadrant. What is the area of the quadrant? Already you know student. Yes, that is 1 by 4 pi r square unit. Use the area of the sector also. That is also same. Okay student. Yes. Now you have 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into the radius. You have a decimal part. Suppose if you are going to take the fractional mean, the simplification is easy to you. That's why I am doing it. Okay. Now 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. So for that 1 7 are 7, 5 7 are 35, 1 5 are 5, 2 5 are 10. Okay. Now 1 2 are 2, 11 2 are 22. Okay. So do you have anything cancelled here? Yes. By that 5 to table, 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 25. So the final answer you are going to get it 11 into 7 is 77 divided by 4 2s are 8 centimeter square. And the second subdivision is, so the second subdivision we are going to find C. Find the area of the shaded region. So I am going to find area of the shaded region. So for that area of the shaded region, you have the C. This is one quadrant. So for that quadrant, take fully area quadrant. Area quadrant minus you have this triangle. This triangle. So that is area of a triangle. Area of triangle OBOD. Yes, students. Okay. The quadrant, what is the name of the quadrant? OACB. Right answer. Okay. Now, already you find the value of the area of the quadrant is 77 by 8. Minus, what is the area of the triangle? You know the students is half into base into height. Half into base into height. Always simply how to substitute the values. So the base. So this is your base. And height is this. Okay, you have a base is 3.5 into height you have 2 centimeter. So for that 2 will be cancelled and remaining 77 by 8 minus 35 by 10. Like that I will 35 by 10. Okay, if you are going to simplify this 3.5 students, I am making in the fractional format, that is 35 by 10. So simplify the table of 5. 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10. So now 77 by 2, 77 by 8 by 7 by 2. For that I am going to multiply the second fraction into both numerator and denominator by 4. Why? Because I am going to take the denominator will be same. Now 77 by 8 minus 28 by 7 goes are 28 by 8. Now 77 minus 28. 77, 57, 57. What will come? 57, 49. Okay. So the final answer is 49 by 8. 49 by 8 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. So the question number 13. So students, look at the question. In the figure, a square OABC. OABC. It is inscribed in the quadrant. Okay. The quadrant is OPBQ. Yes, students. And one more thing is given. OA which is equal to 20 centimeter. OA equal to 20 centimeter. Now find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. So students, so listen carefully now. You have OA equal to 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. So for that, side of the square is 20. So in square, side only we know. But to in the quadrant, we need the radius. We need that radius. So how to find the radius? It is a very important. Listen carefully. It is different from the previous question. Why? Because of in quadrant you have inscribed a square. The square is inscribed that quadrant to get the shape like this. Yes, students. Okay. So in from the figure, so first we need to take a radius. So in the quadrant we have, shall we take this is a radius? Yes. Why? Because of C. So this is a one square means what is the name of the square? O A B C. So in the square, if you are going to take that diagonal of the square here, so the diagonal of the square will be the radius for you. Radius for yes, student. Okay. So for that, here OA and OB and OC, all the one is a 20 centimeter only. 20 centimeter. So for that, using Pythagoras theorem, I am going to find the radius using Pythagoras. BD square, which is equal to, so this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, I am going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Already I told you what is the Pythagoras theorem. So the longest side, the square of the longest side, which is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. What is the name of the longest side? Is hypotenuse. So the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. We have one theorem in 4 mark question from the chapter 6. So we will see later. And you have this Pythagoras theorem in your 9th syllabus also. So based on that, BD square which is equal to, what is that? So OB. Okay. OB square which is equal to OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay. So OB we don't know, that is the diagonal of the square, and OA and OB on both also same, that is 20. So 20 square plus 20 square So that is OB square. OB square. If you want to take the square root of OB, which is equal to 800, square root of 800. So for that you have 20 root 2. Shall we take 800 is 400 into 2, and 400 is the square root of what is that? 20. So OB is 20 root 2 centimeter. So that will be the radius for you. Yes, students. Now what is the radius? Radius which is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. 20 root 2 centimeter. Now what is the given? What they are asking the question? Find the area of the shaded region. So for that area of the shaded region, I am going to do see area. It is very simple, students. Area of the shaded region, which is equal to area of quadrant. Area quadrant minus area of what is that? Square. Area of the square. So you have a value of area of the quadrant formula. Do you have a student? Yes. I have a formula 1 by 3 pi r square. Or otherwise use the sector formula also, it's not a problem. So 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of the square is sine square, that is a square square. Now 1 by 4 into, if they are anything given to you, use pi. Yes, they are giving the value of pi is what is that? 3.14. So 3.14 minus, so the radius r is equal to 20 root 2 the whole square minus the sine of the square is what is that? 20. So 20 into 20 or 20 square. That is the area of the square. Okay. Now students, listen carefully. You have 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 the whole square. So for that 3.14 by 4 into 20 square already we know. That only we are completing. What is that? 800. So 800 minus 20 square is 400. Area of that square. So for that 1 4 of 200 4 are 800. 200 4 are 800. Now we are going to multiply these two to get 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 3 2s are 6, and 2 0 will be eliminated for you because 3.14 which is multiplied by 100 you get it 314 student. Okay, and which one is multiplied by 2 to get 628 628. So minus 400 you have the answer 228 centimeters square. So what is the final answer? 228 centimeters square. So this is the area of the shaded region. And the next question, student, the next question is question number 15. Question number 15. So in the figure, ABC is the quadrant. ABC. It is the quadrant. It is a quadrant of circle of radius 14 centimeter. So this is the one quadrant. Okay, and the radius is equal to 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Yes, student. Okay, and the semicircle is drawn with the side of BC. And the semicircle is drawn with the side of BC. Okay, as the diameter. So here BC is the diameter. BC is the diameter. Now find the area of the shaded region. So for that, so students listen here. So first I am going to take in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. So here I am going to use the Pythagoras theorem. A, B, C. Yes? Okay. So using Pythagoras theorem. So what will we do? See, you have AC is 14 and AB also 14. So if you want to find the hypotenuse, no. So using that BC square which is equal to AB square plus AC square plus AC square. So for that AB have a same 14 square plus 14 square. Okay. So 14 square is 196. So 196 plus 196. So that is your BC square. I need only BC mean. You want to write 2 into 196. So this is the same question for you in the previous. Yes, student. So for that, BC which is equal to 14 √2 centimeter. BC equal to what will come? 14, because 196, the square root of 196 is 14, and we can't take the square root of 2, so 14 √2 centimeter. So here this BC in semicircle, BC is the diameter. BC is the diameter. Okay. So in the quadrant you have a radius equal to 14 centimeter, but in the semicircle you have a diameter equal to 14 √2 centimeter and radius equal to 7 √2 centimeter. 7 √2 centimeter. So now what we are going to find? Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. So for that area of the shaded region, we want to do, first we have to take an area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle. So this is the area of the semicircle, student. Okay. Now see. Area of semicircle. Which one is subtracted to area of the segment? Area of the segment. That is what will come? This one. B, A, C. Okay. So for the area of the segment. So already you know very well in that area of the sector. This is used in that exercise 12. So for that exercise 12.2 we are using this. Area of the semicircle you have 1/2 pi r square minus area of the sector. I am going to take area of quadrant minus area of triangle. What is that? Triangle. Yes, student. Okay. Now I am going to find 1/2 into the value of pi. Is anything is given to you? No. So take what? 22/7 itself. So 22/7 into the radius, semicircle radius only I am going to take. That is 7 √2 the whole square. 7 √2 the whole square. Minus area of the quadrant you have the radius. What is the area of the quadrant? I mean quadrant radius is 14 centimeter. Okay. Now 1/4 into 5 the value is 22/7 into 14 into 14 minus half into you have the base and height, you have the same thing. This is the base and that is the height. So 1/4 into 14 into 14. 14 into 14. Yes, student. Now the simplification, see 1 2s are 11, 2s are 22. So 11/7 into 7 √2 the whole square, what will come? Already you know what is that? 7 √2. That is 7 7s are 49. 49 into 98. Minus here, see 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 1 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are. Now the remaining is 11 into 14 minus here 1s are 1, 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14, 7 into 14. So now the simplification is 1 7s are 7, remainder 2 28. So 4 7s are 28. So 11 into 14, 14 into 11, 4 1 4 1. That is 154. 154 minus the same here also 154 minus what is that? 7 14 7s are 98 minus 98. Okay, if you want to take like this 154 minus 154 minus is minus plus 98. So 154 154 cancel. So the final answer is 98 centimeters square. So what is your final answer? 98 centimeters square. So students, in this exercise 12.3, so we completed all the questions except the two questions. So the question number 6 and question number 8